Hey, welcome to my first ever copy trading session. Live, uncut, and action-packed. I'm not just trading for myself. Some of you watching this are already set to copy my trades automatically. That means as I make decisions live, your account will mirror them instantly. It's seamless, it's powerful, and could be the start of something big for your trading journey. Whether you're just curious about copy trading or ready to dive head in first, stay tuned because I'll be showing you the exact steps on how to get started and why so many traders trust me to take the lead. Today's session is all about real-time results. You'll see my trades live and get a feel for how I navigate the market. And remember, for those already set to copy my trades, every trade I make today will automatically be placed onto your account. No stress, no overthinking, just results. Without further ado, let's get into the video. By the way, if you're not copying my trades, what are you doing? My Telegram group is where all the magic happens. You'll get exclusive access to my trades, step-by-step guidance, and even challenges where we aim to multiply your account times 10 in just a few hours. It's super easy to get started. Click in the description below, sign up with my affiliate link, and you'll be getting a 100% deposit bonus to kickstart your journey. And it's free. question. What would you do if you could multiply your account times 10 in just one session? Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to hear your goals. If this live session got you excited about the possibilities of copy trading, now's the time to take action. Join my Telegram group today and you could start copying my trades automatically. Plus, don't miss out on the 100% deposit bonus waiting for you when you sign up through my link. And hey, if you're still unsure, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more live trading sessions, strategies, and tips to help you grow. Let's start this journey together. Hit that like button and I'll see you on Telegram. Happy trading!